Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Grid. Create a flexible layout using autofills. The repeat function comes with an option called autofill. The this allows you to automatically insert as many rows or columns of your desired size as possible depending on the size of container. You can create flexible layout when combining autofill with min-max like this. For example, repeat, autofill and then min-max 60 pixel and one fragment, or a 60 pixel as minimum and one fragment as maximum. When the container changes size, this setup keeps inserting 60 pixel columns and stretching them until it can insert another one. Note, if your container can't fit all your items on one row, it will move them down to new one. So let's check it first. Right now it works like this. So how this will change, we will see after the task. When the container changes size, this setup keeps, okay, I have read that. So the task for this challenge, in the first grid, use autofill with repeat to fill the grid with columns that have minimum width of 60 pixel and maximum width of one fragment. Then resize the preview to see autofill in action. In the first grid, so first grid should be of container 1 or just container, and in this repeat. So in case instead of 3 we will use auto fill with hyphen between auto and fill. So it worked like something like this: min max 65 pixel and one fragment. So if we shorten it much, then it moved to second line when autofill was filled. So like this. And we can see what happens. Okay, we have seen the action. It isn't resizing afterward, means it leaving empty space, means for further items when it fills. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.